Hi, I am Sarwar. Today I am going to show you how to add a Discord button on your website. To add a Discord button on your website, I am using Bit Assist plugin. At first, go to WordPress dashboard and as you can see, I have already installed Bit Assist plugin to add a Discord button on my site. So click on Bit Assist Pro, add a widget, give here widget name. Now click on create button. Now click on three dots and edit it. Add a channel, Discord. Give here Discord invite code and paste the invite code here. And here is some advanced features. One click open channel on. One can you open it in current tab and otherwise new windows. And also you can hide this logo after office hours. You can on and off this and also you can show this on desktop or mobile. I keep it both, so click on save button and I'll go to my WordPress page and refresh the page. Here you can see the Bit Assist logo in the bottom corner of my screen, so click on Bit Assist and click on Discord. Now here you can send a message, otherwise send a voice message, call and group call and give message here. So in this way you can add your Discord button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.